Okay, by looking at our fundamental first, and we see what is going on in Afghanistan presently, and as I said before, it will make all the safe haven pairs to go up, and it will also strengthen the dollars. Yes, it strengthens the dollars, and it's one of the reasons why you see the dollars is very, very strong, because of what is going on in Afghanistan. Most of the time, where there are wars in those countries, United States tend to benefit more from those war and chaos, because they supply munitions, they supply aircraft, they supply every other stuff, and all these are bringing more money to the nation. Okay, so that is that on Afghanistan issue. Then you also see lockdown in New Zealand, lockdown in Australia. And when there is lockdown, the value of the currency will drop. And because of all this lockdown, you definitely see oil price also will be dropping. And these are some things that we need to take note of as we trade. Okay, so this morning, let's look at our fundamentals, our calendar. This morning, 20th August 2021, 20th August 2021. All right, it has taken place already. The retail sales for GBP USD taking place already is bad. It's bad for GBP USD. So GBP USD just reacted to that a little by moving down a little, because it's bad for it. And by 1:30, we're going to see the core retail sales affecting the Canadian dollars. Okay, so if the actual is out and the actual is lower than the expected, then it's going to be, it will weaken Canadian dollar and USD CAD will go down. So if the actual is out and the actual is better than the forecast, then it's going to strengthen the Canadian dollar, and we'll see USD CAD will go down. So that is our fundamental this morning. We don't have much in fundamentals. All right, so let's switch over to our charts as we discuss our charts this morning. Okay, guys, can you see my screen? I just need a yes from you. Guys, can you see my screen? Good morning, Mr. Manuel. Can you see my screen? Just need a yes from you guys. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, everybody can see my screen. All right, that's good. So this morning we're starting with Euro USD. Euro USD on daily time frame. Let's see Euro USD on daily time frame. Euro USD on daily time frame. My bias for Euro USD this morning is bearish. That's my bias. My bias for Euro USD this morning is bearish. Price is expected to go down as far as 1.1650 and 1.1600. Price is expected to go down more for Euro USD today. Okay, major support level has been broken. You can see that support level on 1 hour on daily time frame. Major support level at 1700 has been broken. So because of that, the scenario is a downward movement scenario. So expect price to trend gently to as far as this level 1.1600 for Euro USD on daily time frame. But if you come to 4 hour time frame, you will discover that Euro USD is struggling around this point. Euro USD is struggling around this point. Okay, because we put that trend line yesterday, and Euro USD is struggling around that. So there might be a little, their mind is not certain, a little rebounds. But if that is not the case, if there's a clear breakout from that trend line, then we'll see price will move quietly to 1.1600 level. Okay, price will move quietly to 1.1600 level. But for now, bias for Euro USD is bearish, and the closest resistance is 1.1700. That's the closest resistance to price, 1.1700, and the closest support for now is 1.1650. So I'm expecting price to trend quietly to 1.1650, and if that is broken, it will lead us to 1.1600 level. So watch out for this for Euro USD and take proper trading decision. All right, so that's that on that. Now let's go to GBP USD. My bias for GBP USD is still bearish. Okay, even you can see the retail sales for GBP USD is bad. So my bias is bearish because there's a rising case of this Delta variants of COVID-19, and if this continue, more countries will go on lockdown, and you are going to see, and once a lot of countries are going on lockdown, oil price will definitely fall. Price of oil will fall drastically. You're going to see this falling, and it's going to affect many economy of the world. So let's watch this and trade carefully. All right. So GBP USD, my bias for GBP USD this morning is bearish. GBP USD is trending quietly close to a support, which I'm expecting it to hit today. That's at 1.3600. I'm expecting it to hit that support today at 1.3600. And the closest resistance is at 1.3665. That's the closest resistance, 1.3665. So I'm expecting GBP USD to move down quietly till it hits 1.3600 level this morning. Okay, if we look at this critically, let's take a look at this critically. I want to zoom this out. Okay, you discover that where Euro USD, GBP USD is heading to, look at where GBP USD is heading to. That point is heading to, like if it gets to this point, then watch out for this point. You can see that's a very long time. That's around January. Let me see this date. Am I on 4-hour time frame? Okay. That should be around January. Let me see that clearly, please. Okay. All right. Still need to zoom more to see the that should be around January. Yeah, around January. Price got there and there was a reversal. Okay, so watch out for that. This is it, and this is it also. So price is likely going to trend down quietly to that level, and that is 1.33600. Then let me get the price out for you guys. Coming, okay, that is 1.3570. Okay, that's the price. I'm expecting a reversal for now. I'm not expecting a reversal from GBP USD. So I'm expecting it to trend quietly to 1.3570 level. And you can see what it's doing presently. See how it's moving quietly to the next support at 1.3600. So a break of 1.3600 will lead us quietly to 1.3550 level. So that is GBP USD for you this morning on both daily time frame and weekly time frame. All right, so let's leave that. Let's go to the next one is AUD UXD. AUD USD this morning, I'm expecting price to trend for now. Okay, let's see. This is AUD USD, and you see the huge movement from AUD USD this morning, and I'm expecting price to trend quietly to the very next support we are seeing there at 0.71, 0.7100. That's where I'm expecting price to trend quietly to 0.7100 level. Okay, so if that level is broken, it's going to expose 0.7050 level. Okay, but for now, AUD USD is heavily oversold. Okay, it's heavily oversold. So be careful with AUD USD. But I'm seeing something. That may give us a little bit confidence, because in case you still want to sell AUD USD, I'm seeing something that will give us some level of confidence, so we can use that to trade AUD USD with caution. Okay, You can use that to trade the USD with caution. This is what I'm seeing. All right, so look at these guys. All right, so you can see what I've done. Just look at that. So with that, you can see we might be having something very good that you can look up to. All right, so you see what is going on there. All right, so with this, I was able to plot this, connecting that level, then down to where price is now. Okay, down to where price is now. So with that, I can confidently tell you, price might likely reverse from where we are seeing it now. Okay, where we are seeing it now, price might likely reverse, is likely going to reverse from where we are seeing it now. All right, okay, I think this is the right one. So if price breaks below, if you ask me, I'm not going to sell because of what I am just saying. I'm not going to sell if you ask me. Though my bias is bearish, but I'm not going to sell if you ask me because of what I'm just seeing now. You can see that line. So if candlesticks closes below this conference zone, this is the conference zone I'm talking about. If candlestick closes below this conference zone, okay, so that would be a time for me to sell more. It will be a time for me to sell more to 0.7050 level. But if price did not close below that conference zone, I might be considering a buy. If I just see any reversal candlesticks here, today is Friday, be careful. If I see any reversal candlestick here, then it's an opportunity for me to buy and put my stop loss behind 0.7100. All right, that is AUD USD for you today. Then the next one is Nzd USD. Yesterday, I told you about Nzd USD yesterday. I said, this guy has not finished his journey downward. Okay, he has not finished his journey downward because we had something like this. That's about 170 pips, and we're expecting this guy to also move from the break point with the breakout point to move 170 pips, which it has not done. It has done 140. Okay, and yesterday it shoot up a bit, then came down again. All right, so like moving within this range for now. Okay, so it still has ability to go more to the downside. It still has ability to go more to the downside. All right, so for me, I'm going to pull a sell trigger once it goes, a candle closes below 0.6800. Once a candle closes below 0.6800, I'm going to pull a trigger to move down to 0.6750. To move down to 0.6750. So that is how I'm going to handle Nzd USD this morning. If it breaks below this point, I go down to this. If it reverses again from this resistance, from this support, then I'll move up again, targeting the next resistance at 0.6880 level. So this is how I'm going to handle Nzd USD this morning. Okay, so take note of those levels. The resistance is 0.6880, while the closest support is 0.6800. 0.6800 is the closest support for Nzd USD. My bias for Nzd USD still remain bearish bias for Nzd UXD this morning. All right, so we leave that, we go to UXD card. Let's go to USD card. USD card is just pumping. It's just pumping and really moving up with a lot of strength, about 170 pips from the breakout. And I said it yesterday that this guy must complete the 170 pips, which it has done. He did that yesterday, took out so many levels yesterday, okay? Conveniently, he did that. So that is the power of chart pattern. If you understand chart pattern, you're going to really make money from this market. All right, let me just give you a secret about chart pattern. If you understand chart pattern, you know how to trade chart pattern very well. If you see 10 chart patterns a month, if you see 10 chart patterns a month, especially on 4 hours, 10 chart patterns a month, hardly with 3 of them fails. Hardly, it can't fail, but hardly with 3 fails. So that means out of the 10, 7 is sure to be successful. That's the secret about chart pattern. So if you're a chart pattern trader, you are going to really do very well in the market. But you must understand some certain things: false breakout and retest. You must understand breakout, false breakout, retest. You must understand all this when you are trading chart pattern. All right, so you can see that, okay, that's a very strong move, upward move for USD CAD. And for me, I think I'm still seeing more ability for this guy to go up. More ability for this guy to go up. I'm still seeing that. So it's still very far away. Still very far away. So it still has that ability to go up. That is why my bias for USD CAD is bullish. Bullish with caution though. Yeah, bullish with caution though. So for now, the next support, because it's not resistance turn support. Yesterday, all the resistance we mentioned, the price cleared everything. I think we were somewhere here yesterday when we were talking about this guy, and look at it, boom, 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 till he hits this one and now closes above it. So you can see this is the next support now. It was a resistance that has turned support at 1.2805 now, 1.2805. So expect price to move down, okay, a little before going on. And apart from this, where price is now, price is at 1.2874. Okay, I'm looking at price finally getting to 1.2955 level. That is far. 1.2955 level. That is far. But if we use for those of you guys that know how to use a Fibonacci extension, if we use Fibonacci extension, we might likely get something close to that. If we use Fibonacci extension, sorry, let me put extension, Fibonacci extension. Let's see where price will be heading. All right, guys. So if we use Fibonacci extension, okay, so it's very possible price will even get to 1.3135 later in future. That will not happen today, but later in future, it is possible for price to get to 1.3135 using Fibonacci extension. All right, these are some tools you must learn how to use. That is why we talk about you coming to CJC Market to learn how to trade the financial market. CJC Market, we have experts in all our offices who are going to really teach you, open your eyes to see the dynamics of the market, and you have a better understanding of this, and you'll be able to take better trading decisions. Those of you that have been attending this daily market analysis, you can see a lot of things we put together to just to show you the possibilities in this market. And some of you have been taking decisions. I see some people screenshots have been taking decisions and making good profits from the market, especially those of you that understand exactly what I'm saying. So if you know you don't have a better understanding of this, please, the next step is to go and learn. Okay, send your name and location to the number I gave you. I know some of you will say, oh, the number that you have not treated. Don't worry, we're going to treat everything. Send your name and location to this number and make us, if it's advanced training you want, just tell us your name, location. I want advanced training. That's the number, 0703-414-6478, that you want advanced training. And if you, that's the number, 070-3414-6478. Walk into any of our offices in Nigeria. Our office in Nigeria, in Lagos, is 6th floor, 103 Musheshola House. That's 6th floor. We are on 6th floor, 103 Musheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos, opposite Old Alade Market. Okay, very close to Allen Roundabout. That is where we are in Lagos. In Port Harcourt, you can visit our office at 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, beside Emerald Hotel, Port Harcourt. We are on 2nd floor of that building. It's a white building beside Emerald Hotel in Port Harcourt. Then in Abuja, we are on number 50, Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wusetu, Abuja. We are on 1st floor of that building. So you can walk into any of our offices. Next week, we are having our advanced training Monday to Thursday. It's going to be a time to really interact with traders and show traders how to really trade these markets using advanced method, advanced tools, and gaining the advanced knowledge of trading the financial market successfully and profitably. So you can walk into any of our office as on next week, Monday by 11 a.m. for this, okay? Okay, somebody said I attended Port Harcourt office training yesterday. Oh, kudos to you, Mr. Manuel. That's nice. Thank you very much. That's nice. All right. So those of you asking for the Telegram link, if you are not in our Telegram channel, you are not in our Telegram group to receive invite for our daily analysis and weekly analysis on Monday, kindly click on this link. I'm sending the link now. Click on this link and join. That's a link. Click on that link and join the Telegram group. Click on that link and join the Telegram group so that you can receive invite from us every time and you don't miss this, our morning daily market outlook. Okay, and that's the phone number again. Anything you want, send it to that phone number. We provide signals for our clients as one of our services. We provide social trading platform for our clients as one of our services. We provide basic and advanced training for our clients as one of our services. We do daily market analysis, as you're seeing, and weekly analysis every Monday by 11 a.m. as one of our services. We give dedicated account manager, account officer, someone you can always talk to, help you to solve issues if there's any issue arising. We give this to also to our clients every day also, and we give, sometimes we give special books, reading that our clients can read and to learn. Sometimes we give special training videos that our clients can also use to. We give everything that the client needs to succeed in the market from every single day. We give all this, and all this can really help our clients succeed in the market. Okay, so okay, you said on the Telegram group, but someone I met on the training yesterday want to join. Okay, I've given the Telegram. That is the link. You can give the link to the person. Okay, that's the link you're seeing above. You can give that link to the person. All right. And at CJC, withdrawals and deposits are very fast. We don't have issue with withdrawals and deposits. Okay, deposits like within 30 minutes or less than. Okay, very, very fast. And withdrawals, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes less than that, depends on the person. So withdrawals and deposits are very, very fast. And also, you see at CJC market, we are fully regulated, okay, a multi-regulated brokerage firm, and we are everywhere in all the world, all over the world, in all continents of the world. So let's go back to our charts, okay. Let's go back to our chart. So you can see this guy is actually extending, that is USD card, is actually extending and moving upward. And it's a very nice one if you are going to take advantage of UXD card today, this morning. All right, so that's that. I've given you the level USD card might likely get to. Its first target I had in mind was 1.2870, and it has cleared that target already. Now it's heading towards the next target, 1.2955. Okay, let me put a line in the first target so that you know it has cleared that one already. 1.2870 is the first target, and it has cleared that already. So it's moving. If candle closes above that first target, okay, I think that will really help you. So if this 4-hour candle closes above this target of 1.2870, then price will move more to 1.2955. 1.2955. But if the candle closes below this guy, probably forming a pin bar, then price is going to reverse back to 1.2805, a kind of retest of 1.2805. Then from there, price may fly up again and start going forward. But a break of this guy, price may fall down more to 1.2700. All right, so that is USD card for you today. Trade smart. Remember, we at CJC, we are smart broker, training smart people, developing smart traders to trade in the smart market and make smart money and smile smartly to their bank every week. All right, okay. Let's go to gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Yesterday, I said my bias for gold is neutral to bearish, and we saw that bearish move yesterday, and it moved down to as far as something 1774. All right, so as far as gold is below 1791, as far as gold is below 1791 to 1793, to 1793. As far as gold is below 1791 to 1793, I am not going to buy gold. Okay, as far as price of candles are closing below that level, for me, I am not going to buy gold. Buying will not be an option for me. Okay, buying gold will not be an option for me. But on the flip side, if gold closes above 1791, then that is the time to move towards 1805. But for now, the scenario is still downward. I'm a bias for gold is still bearish, okay, provided it's still below 1791 to 1793 level. But if gold, for me, I feel gold is going to trade within this range today. Gold is going to trade within the range of 1791 and 1780. Gold is going to trade within that range today. So if that happens, okay, trading on daily time frame will not be the best. If that happens, trading on daily time frame will not be the best. So I may likely come to 1 hour time frame to take this trading decision, of which I'm seeing something on 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look at that. If it's fine, if it's correct, okay, let me draw it. If it's correct, then we can go with it. Okay, I'm seeing a kind of very short channel on 1 hour time frame. Okay, I think it's not looking bad. So it's not looking bad. Okay, I think this is not looking bad. So take a look at this. It's not looking bad. It may not be that fully perfect, but it's not looking bad. Okay, so take a look at this. All right, so you can see where gold is now. So you can tell me, you can tell what gold might likely do on 1 hour time frame. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. First breakouts are always so many on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see what gold might likely do from there. Okay, it's even forming a kind of little flag on 4 hours. I believe you understand what this is. Those of you that know, that understand how to trade a flag, advanced traders, so you understand what this is. So it's a continuation pattern. We call this a continuation pattern. So this is a continuation pattern. And if gold, as a continuation pattern, we are expecting a breakout. That's it. That's how we trade continuation pattern. We're expecting a breakout at the upper side and it moves higher. So I'm watching out for, I'll be watching out for breakout. I'm just seeing it now. So I'll be watching out for a breakout. So watch out for that breakout. So if that breakout occurs, then price will easily get to 1791. Then it close above 1791 to 93. Then you can see gold will be going up because of that pattern we have. Okay, because of that pattern we have. All right, because of that pattern, you may see gold going up on 4 hour time frame. Even on 4 hour time frame, you can also do that. So that is the pattern gold is formed. Gold has formed already. This pattern is called a continuation pattern, a flag. Okay, so with this is why we call it a flag. You can add this standing stick to it. Okay, so you can see it look like a flag. All right, so that's a very good continuation pattern, and the breakout of that price is going to go higher. Then on the flip side, this is forex. We don't trade expectation, we trade what we see. Okay, we trade what we see, we don't trade expectation. On the flip side, price may hit that upper part of the line. Price may hit here and start falling again back to this. Okay, it may not, maybe it has not decided to close above it here. So you may see price playing around this level, then falling back again. Okay, so this is very, very possible. Falling back to this, then we are going to see another move upward. Probably is this move that will now cause a breakout. That will be probably next week. Okay, and that will not be this week. That may be probably next week. So that is good for you guys this morning. That is good for you guys this morning. So we're having opportunity here. I love where gold is. It's a very good opportunity. Gold is presenting a very good opportunity, okay, to trade this morning. Not only gold, USD card also, because it's very close to this support at 1.2870. I love trading close to support. That's me. So that's also a very good opportunity. And NZD, not too clear for me, not too clear. Then AUD USD also a very good opportunity. You can see that line. So it's hitting on that line. This is 1, okay, 2, and this will be 3. So I'm also expecting a reversal from this guy, okay, which is a very good opportunity also. Then this guy is still close to a very good opportunity. That's a Gbp Usd, very close to a good opportunity. Euro USD is also playing around this trend line. So that's also a very good one. A clear breakout or a clear reversal will determine where I am going to go. That is how I trade. I trade what I see. I don't trade expectation. Thank you very much, everybody. Drop your question. Let me answer your question before we leave.